Oh my god, my assembly luggage is finally here. And wait till you see how cool this one is. I specifically chose the marble print this time. It reminds me of the beaches and is perfect to be my vacation uniform this year.
But why are you so excited about a luggage?
No, this bag is like a gift to self for a true traveler soul. It offers functionality like no other and is safe and durable. With the free packing cubes, you will be impressed with my newly acquired organizational skills.
Okay, but will it be able to handle the overpacker that you are?
Of course, don't worry mom, the bag is so spacious and lightweight that it can carry my whole world around, no matter wherever I go.
Yes, the bag looks as vacation ready as you are.
Touche to that. The print actually matches my minimal vibe these days. And it does come in a variety of different prints, which I will get my hands on for the next trip.
I'm now worried. What if someone tries to snatch it from you?
Oh god mom, stop overthinking. But even if somebody does get their hands on it, they won't be able to open it because of the TSA lock system. Okay now bye. I have really big decisions to make because of the itinerary. Let me pack. Love you.